Yo guys, in this video you will learn how to make the easiest cash possible on ClickToEarn.co. As you guys can see, this is the site right here. I've made over $4,000 in 2 weeks on this website. My balance is $2,000, as you guys can see right here. This is currently my rank and my level, which I'll explain to you later. Essentially, you can just complete different tasks and level up and get different bonuses for it. As you guys can see right here, there are different requirements required for each level. And essentially on this website, you can refer people by sharing your link, as you guys can see right here, and get paid $50 per each person who signs up under your link. And it's free to sign up, so it's pretty good money. And you can also complete tasks on this website by downloading apps and surveys, which I'll show you how to do it right here, guys. So let me just show you guys. I'm going to go to Task Center right now. And in this section, you will see there's going to be a list of apps which you can download via the App Store or Google Play, depending on what kind of phone you have. They're official apps and they're free to download. All you gotta do is just download a few apps and play around them and get paid from $25 to $100. And I've completed 21 apps, as you guys can see right here. So these are apps, as you guys can see, daily challenge. So the more tasks that you do, the more bonuses you get. And as you guys can see right here, there are different apps. And they also have surveys, questionnaires as well, which you can fill out. And they take up to 5 minutes or so for each one. And as you guys can see, they pay anywhere from $20 to 80 or 100. So right now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and actually get 2 apps, and I'll show you how easy it is to earn cash by doing tasks on this website. So let me guys show you. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one. This one pays 100. So for example, Solitaire Cube, this is a game. I'm gonna press on download. And once I press on download, guys, you guys will see right here, it will take me directly to the App Store because I have an iPhone. So as you guys can see right here, I'm gonna go ahead and press on download. And while it's downloading, we can also get another app at the same time, as there's no limit to it. So let me show you guys. So let's go ahead also and get, I like the game Solitaire. Not Solitaire, Evertail I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and press on Evertail and press on download. And as you guys can see, it pays $25. There's also instructions, but essentially instructions are about the same. You gotta just have the app open for about 30 seconds or more and play around in the app. So while it's downloading, we're gonna go ahead already and open up Solitaire Cube. And now, guys, I'm gonna fast forward through this part of the video so you guys don't get bored. But essentially, it takes around 5 minutes or so to play around in the app, play some, play through it and stuff. It's really easy to do. You don't have to buy anything inside of the app. As like I said, it's free. Once you get it, guys, get it on the other app as well, as you guys can see right here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and play it also around in the Evertail. It's also a game, so I'm playing around in these apps, guys. And that's it. You just gotta, play around a bit, follow instructions. And once we're done, guys, let's go back. Let's refresh. And now our balance should go up by $125. So let's see, guys. And ta-da! As you guys can see right here, $2,208 is my new balance. And this is actually not all the money that I've made. I've actually made more, and I received a payment, which I will show you guys right now. As some of you are thinking, is this a real site or is it legit? So as you guys can see right here, you will see there's total earnings. So as you guys can see right here, $4,100. This is the total amount that I've made. And the reason why the balance is different is because I already cashed out some money. So I'm gonna go ahead and you guys gonna show you. There's a cash out section where you can add your payment method, and essentially they accept like PayPal or crypto. I use PayPal, and as you can see, I ever received one cash out, which was on June 19th for $1,892. That was the amount, and this is the date, guys. So I received it on June 19th. And right now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my PayPal account, and I will show you that I actually received this money. This is for real, guys. Let me guys show you. And there it is, guys. There it is. That's how much that I received, as you guys can see right here. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and yeah, if you want, join as well and make some quick cash. All right, guys, peace out.